This is Tubby. Tubby is a 1-year-old neutered domestic medium hair. Tubby was brought to the Humane Society because his previous family lost their home. He is litter box trained, good with cats, good with dogs, and good with kids. If you want to meet Tubby, come down to Kitty City. This is Star. Star is a 3-year-old spayed domestic shorthair. She was brought to the Humane Society because she was not too fond of the small children in her previous home. She's litter box trained, good with cats, good with dogs, and would do best in home with teenagers or no kids at all. If you want to meet Star, come down to Kitty City. This is Skittles. Skittles is a 1.5-year-old spayed gray and white tabby. She was brought to the Humane Society because her previous family moved somewhere where they could not have pets. She is litter box trained, good with cats, and good with kids. If you want to meet Skittles, come down to Kitty City.